Hey there, all you trendsetters! Welcome back to our channel. Are you constantly blown away by those intriguing pictures popping up on your news feed, wondering how you can join in on the trend? Well, you've landed on the right video. In today's tutorial, I'm about to unveil the secret to creating those viral AI yearbook photos, and guess what? It's super simple, completely free, and will have your friends asking, how did they do that? So, if you're ready to level up your social media game, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive right in. Step 1, my friends. Start by gathering 10 different style photos from your favorite social media platforms, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. The more variety, the better. Now, let's move on to step 2. Open your web browser and head over to Google and type Pika AI face swap. Don't worry, I've got the link in the video description for your convenience. Once you're on the home page, you're in the right place. Step 3, where the magic truly happens. To replace a picture like Wonder Woman's, simply click on this icon, and you'll be prompted to choose the photos you've downloaded earlier from Facebook. It's as easy as pie. Now, let's add your picture to our model. Click Add Face, select your picture or any model you prefer. It's your creative playground. And here comes the moment of truth. Hit that Generate button and let the AI work its wonders. Pro tip, try using this during the morning or office hours to ensure a smoother experience with fewer users online. After the magic is done, just click Download, and your trendy AI yearbook picture is ready to be posted on your social media account. Watch your friends' jaws drop as you ride the trend wave. We here at Dawn of AI channel brings regular updates on latest AI tools and its impact on our daily lives. If you found this tutorial helpful and are ready to become a trendsetter, don't forget to show some love by smashing that like button, sharing this video with your friends, and subscribing to our channel.